I paid for the electricity for
the clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here.
progress for today. Welcome to our day 5 here in the slide. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to our day 5 here in the site. So the progress right now is a lot of soil dump here. It's about like 14 loads already, and right now they are trying to cement the septic tank right now. Here is the mixed cement, yeah, and then right here they're starting to cement blocks.
The clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me. My mind is filled with pictures of when we used to dance, but now I don't know where you are.
We also have electricity very
So bad,
soon.
won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you.
So I paid for the electricity for 4,500 for package for the basic materials, but the Quintador, I don't know the English name. Say English names, the Quintador. So the Quintador, I need to buy the Quintador, and then the wires for the connection, but the other basic needs, he will provide it with the 4,500 with the processing in the municipality, and then the toppings right there that he does, and then what else? Oh, if you don't do package, you need to go to the Laneco station, which is you need to do seminar, because you can't have electricity if you don't do seminar. But if you do package, it's okay. They can do it all for you.
Tick tock, the clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me. My mind is filled with pictures of when we used to dance, but now I don't know where you are. I miss you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you in my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you.
So we have here PVC low rise sanitary pipe, size 4. It's thick. We have 3. And then that's the roof, size 8 to 80 pesos. Then my mom is cooking some corn grits.
I've lost all my chances, I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you, I'm thinking of you.
So that's the bathroom. There's a lot of water because it comes with flowing water under.
Now it's too late, I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you.
So while they're working outside, I'm going to take a nap because I don't have enough sleep, because I edit video and sleep like 2 a.m. So good night.
I should have treated you much better, so much better. I miss you so bad, won't you come back to me? I've got you.
So this is the progress for today, and then tomorrow they will do more, and then finishing. This one it's not yet finished because I asked them to finish this one before this one, because this one my father can build it on his own, while this one my father doesn't know how to do it. So I want it to be finished before the bahay kubo. Mama, haggard. We were going to work for only a few days because, you know, the virus is approaching, so it's better to stay home to keep safe from the virus. That's the sky. There's no sunset. The rain is about to come, I think. Look at this one right here. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you to all of my Patreon supporters, because without them I can't continue this kind of project that I'm doing right now. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Wait. Say wait. Please subscribe.
Please subscribe. Subscribe. Oy, virus.
Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos. Bye. Here is my blister. I have blister right here, but it's already healed. Now I have this one. After this one's completely healed, I'm going to start again. I'm helping the construction work. Probably the simple things only, because I don't want to hurt my hands again.
You're all that I see. I've lost all my chances. I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you. I'm thinking of you. I'm thinking of you. I'm wondering if you're thinking about me too.
For the package of this backhoe, to make it plain all the way there from there. Also, this one is 4,500 for rent. Backhoe for rent.
Tick tock, the clock keeps ticking. Don't know what I should do. I wish you would be right here with me. I'm thinking of you. Thinking of you. I'm thinking of you. I'm wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late. Now it's too late. I'm out of time, but I'm still thinking of you.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Ay, wait lang. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't been... wait lang. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Bye. And wait, thank you to all of my Patreon supporters, because without them I can't continue this kind of project that I'm doing right now. Thank you. Thank you. Mama, say thank you. Thank you.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Wait.
Say wait. Please subscribe.
Please subscribe. Subscribe. Oy, virus.
Yeah. Everyone, not everyone, but most of the people here wearing masks already. Anyway, bye.
Hello.
When I saw you, I would lose control. made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago.